perfect view because we're in the car.
See,
I know we're like right in front of them.
see, if I didn't say that now, y'all won't appreciate the view. These people.
Whoa. I like the one that they're the one that pop closest to the ground, but they come out and like big, like it's just like whoa. Big little sparks. Are fireworks also dangerous?
Yes, they can be. That's why the only people that should be lighting them are people that know what they're doing, because they can be very dangerous. You know, the news anchor, wasn't it a news anchor, babe, that lost his eye due to a firework?
Lost his eye?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on Channel 7.